Jiggle Jam!
Ready, set, go! I'm driving in my truck. I wonder when I'll stop. I wonder when I'll stop. I wonder when I'll stop.
The traffic light changed to red.
It did, Susie. The light changed from green to red. Red means stop. Can you make a stop sign with your hand? Red means stop. Red means
Stop!
stop. That's right. So if red means stop, then green means go. That's right. Green means go. I'm driving in my truck. I wonder when I'll stop. 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 Stop! Did your truck stop too? The red light told us to stop. The lights changed to green. Let's go. I'm driving in my truck. I wonder when I'll stop. 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 I'm driving in my truck. I wonder when I'll stop. 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 Wow, that was so fast. How quickly did your truck drive it home? I wonder where our truck is trying to go. Could our truck be going to the beach?
No, not the beach.
No, I don't think so. Maybe our truck is trying to get to a building site. Let's go check out a building site together. Construction crew, get ready to move. We've got a lot of work to do. The bulldozer goes dig, 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 dig. The bulldozer goes dig, 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 all through the town. The mixer truck goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The mixer truck goes round and round, all through the town. Construction crew, get ready to move. We've got a lot of work to do. The big tall crane pulls up and down, up and down, up and down. The big tall crane pulls up and down, all through the town. The steamroller goes roll, 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 roll. The steamroller goes roll, 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 all through the town. Construction crew, get ready to move. We've got a lot of work to do. The dump truck lifts and tips the load, tips the load, tips the load. The dump truck lifts and tips the load, all through the town. The tractor, it goes push, 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 push. The tractor, it goes push, 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 all through the town. Construction crew, get ready to move. We've got a lot of work to do. The dump truck is yellow. It's a yellow dump truck. She's wearing an orange vest and a white hard hat. There are so many trucks on a construction site. Lots of people too. What do you like to build with at your house? Maybe you've got some building blocks or some Lego, or maybe you could use some big tubs. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. Wow, your building looks so tall. Here's mine. I wonder if we can build a little bit faster this time. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. We're getting so high now. I have some blue blocks, some yellow blocks, and some red blocks. What colour are your blocks? Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, up into the sky. Wow, it's so high. It's getting a little bit wobbly. Let's see if we can put one more on. Here we go. Maybe this blue block. Oh. Wow, it's finished. It's so tall. Shall we knock it down together? 1, 2, 3, and crash! Thanks for helping me build. Wow, that's a super tall tower. He's building with big blocks. This boy is building with small blocks. The baby is clapping the blocks. Clap, clap. The girls have made a tower with blue blocks. She's making a red tower.
Floors and walls and a roof. Floors and walls and a roof. Let's make a house for you and me. We need floors and walls and a roof. This is the way we roll the floor. Roll the floor, roll the floor. This is the way we roll the floor. Roll the floor together. This is the way we chop the wood. Chop the wood, chop the wood. This is the way we chop the wood. Chop the wood together. Floors and walls and a roof. Floors and walls and a roof. Let's make a house for you and me. We need floors and walls and a roof. This is the way we hammer the nail. Hammer the nail, hammer the nail. This is the way we hammer the nail. Hammering together. walls and a roof. Floors and walls and a roof. Let's make a house for you and me. We need floors and walls and a roof. This is the way we build a roof. Build a roof. Build a roof. This is the way we build a roof. Build a roof together. This is the way we paint the walls. Paint the walls. Paint the walls. This is the way we paint the walls. Paint the walls together. Floors and walls and a roof. Floors and walls and a roof. Let's make a house for you and me. We need floors and walls and a roof.
Do you remember what this truck is called? It's a mixer truck. The mixer truck goes round and round. Can you do this with your arms? The mixer truck goes round and round. What other trucks do we have? Here is my dump truck. The dump truck is carrying lots of rocks in its load. Beep, beep, beep. The dump truck is driving backwards. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no! Beep, beep, beep. Not there, dump truck! The dump truck is tipping the load of rocks. Oh no! The dump truck has tipped all of the rocks out of its load. Oh dear, dump truck, not there. That's where we're building our house. Who can help us move all of the rocks? I think the digger can help us. Okay, dump truck, time for you to get out of the way. The dump truck is driving away. Look at all of those rocks. Okay, I'm going to use my digger. Get ready, digger. We're going to push away the rocks. Here we go. The digger is pushing away the rocks. Push. The digger is helping us clear away all of the rocks and the dirt, pushing it away so we've got space to build our house. It's all clear. Now we can build our house together. We can use an axe to chop the wood. This man is chopping the wood with an axe. Tap, tap. This is a hammer. The hammer is tapping on the nail. Tap, tap. We can lay the bricks to make a wall. These are red bricks for a red wall. This man is using his hammer to build the roof. Tap, tap. He's painting the walls red. He's using red paint. They're using white paint. They're painting the wall white.
and he's painting the roof red. Red paint on the roof. There's so much to do when you're building a house. Dump Truck Disco, written by Sky Silver. Dump Truck Daisy has come out with her crew. She's got a secret project, what's she gonna do? Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco, zoom, zoom, zoom. Garbage truck Gertie clears away the trash with a shove and a push and a heave and a crash. Shh! Careful not to wake anyone up. Dump truck Daisy holes in the dirt and dumps it on the ground, then signals the alert. Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco, zoom, zoom, zoom. Bulldozer Beatrice levels out the ground. She boogies and she woogies but tries not to make a sound. Bulldozer Beatrice wears glasses. She has red glasses on. Excavator Esteban digs a big hole. Scoop, scoop, beep, beep. Now they're on a roll. Can you say beep, beep like the excavator? Beep, beep. Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco, zoom, zoom, zoom. What are our friends going to do next? Esteban is digging a hole. Daisy's got a load in the back of her truck. Mixer Max pumps a concrete base. Tractor Tiana drags poles into place. Tractor Tiana is dragging all of the poles. I wonder what they're building. Kazoo crane lifts equipment high and lowers it back down beneath the starry sky. Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco, zoom, zoom, zoom. What are they building? The moon has set, it's almost morning. Dump truck Daisy whistles out a warning. It's time to clean up, it's time to go away. It's time for the children to come along and play. I think I see some slides. Lights blink off, wheels stop spinning, the crew heads home, a new day is beginning. We all wake up and find a big surprise, a brand new playground right before our eyes. Wow, look at the playground. I see some swings. Can you see a slide? Yeah, there's a slide. We slide and we swing, we jump and spin. Let the all-day playground party begin. Faces light up, we all go vroom. It's an all-day playground party. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The boys and girls are playing on the playground. I see a xylophone over here. These children are climbing. We head home at last as the sun goes down. Dump truck Daisy is back in town. Her crew is searching for another secret site. What do you think they're going to build tonight? Where are they off to? What do you think they'll build tonight? The end. Thanks for joining me on our construction adventure today. I loved seeing all of the trucks with you. We did lots of building. Have you ever worn a vest and yellow hat before? Or maybe you've visited a construction site. There's lots to do on a construction site. What do you like to build at home?